Here is the Aroma Shop Slim Twist Up Pencil Mould. It comes in two sizes, 4 cavity and 12 cavity. When you first get your mould, receive your mould, open it up and oil it. So you can see there's some little air holes in here for information. And just oil it with some either jojoba, fractionated coconut oil, or even Naturederm IL or C5. And then you can put it back together again. Now what you do when you use it is you don't make it too tight. The idea is, because we're doing this manually and not with automated machines, you want to keep like a tiny touch of a gap between, so it's a very small gap, like so, when you're pouring. So when you're pouring it, you pour in, you invariably might get something that's stuck halfway along, and if that happens you can just take it out and remelt and pour again. So once you've poured in, it has to be a harder base than used for the regular eye pencil for this to work. So when you take it out, you will have these little things that will show up, and you have to manually push them out. They're very delicate, so to be very gentle with them. So once you take them out, you get your twist up pencil, and you place within your pencil a little way, and then you just bring it down, push a little bit more, bring it down, until you end up with the finished product, which is ready for use. And there is my eyebrow pencil. So never wash your mold in water, and you can even keep it in an oily bag, and it will last you a lifetime. So that is your Slim Twist Up Pencil Mold.